Welcome back to our channel Kasho Healthy TV, where we explore natural remedies for improving our overall well-being. In today's video, we'll be discussing a homemade drink that can help boost your mental health. This drink contains ingredients that are known for their positive effects on brain function and mood. So, let's get started. Our homemade mental health drink is packed with nutrients that support brain health. The star ingredient of this recipe is blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. The antioxidants in blueberries also help protect the brain from oxidative stress, which can contribute to age-related cognitive decline. To make this delicious drink, you'll need 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Blueberries are readily available and can be enjoyed year-round. If fresh blueberries are not in season, you can easily use frozen ones without compromising the taste or nutritional value. 1 ripe banana. Bananas are not only a great natural sweetener for the drink but also provide essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6. Potassium is important for maintaining proper brain function and nerve signaling. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their positive effects on brain health, including improving cognitive function and reducing inflammation. 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup optional. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a natural sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. However, the natural sweetness from the ripe banana might be enough for most people. 1 cup of almond milk or any plant-based milk of your choice. Almond milk provides a creamy base for the drink and is a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer a plant-based option. You can use any other plant-based milk like soy milk or oat milk if you prefer. Ice cubes optional. If you want a colder and thicker consistency, you can add a few ice cubes to the blender before blending the ingredients. Now, let's prepare our mental health drink. Step 1. In a blender, add the blueberries, banana, chia seeds, honey or maple syrup if desired, and almond milk. Step 2. Blend the ingredients until smooth and well combined. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add some ice cubes and blend again. Step 3. Pour the drink into a glass and garnish with a few blueberries or chia seeds if you'd like. And there you have it, a refreshing and nutritious homemade drink to boost your mental health. Blueberries provide a range of nutrients that support brain health, including vitamins C and K, as well as fiber. These nutrients help improve memory, cognitive function, and overall brain health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and mood. They also provide fiber, which promotes gut health and can indirectly influence brain. The banana adds natural sweetness and provides essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin B6. Potassium is important for maintaining proper brain function and nerve signaling, while vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Additionally, the almond milk provides a creamy base and is a great alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer a plant-based option. It's also a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the brain cells from oxidative damage. You can customize this recipe by adding other brain-boosting ingredients like spinach, avocado, or even a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Get creative and experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. So, whenever you're looking for a tasty and nutritious way to support your mental health, give this homemade drink a try. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this delicious drink. Remember, taking care of our mental health is essential, and incorporating healthy habits into our daily routine can make a big difference. Stay tuned to our channel for more natural remedies and tips to enhance your well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.